In the last episode, I spoke briefly about 3D printing. Today, I'm going to tell you how I started with it and what I got out of it. I bought my first 3D printer in 2016. It was a Dagoma Discovery 2000 kit. Build a printer was an amazing experience. I spent maybe 2 or 3 hours building the kit, but after that I wasn't afraid of the mechanic of the printer anymore because I knew it perfectly. It was an interesting experience. I just built the printer, I put the SD card in it, pushed the button, and it began magically to print a little object, the logo of the company. That was great. If you don't want to create your own object, no problem. There's a website where people share their creation with the community. As you can see, there are very various objects. Some of them are useful, and some of them less. But you can use it for a long time before the need to create your own objects. The interaction between the digital and physical world always fascinated me. Even if I'm in computer sciences for a very long time, I always do projects computer-centered. I remember the first time I made an electronic assembly. It was with a prototyping card Arduino and a program named Processing. A sensor was connected to the card and sent information to the computer. Related to the information, it triggers action on the computer. That was very simple, but it was the first time I did that, and I remember feeling a real sense of joy. That was the same with 3D printing. You just download a file, put it on an SD card, and an object literally appears under your eyes. The first software I used was OpenSCAD. It was convenient for me because I was in computer programming, and this tool used code to generate design. As you can see, it's completely parametric. It's easy to learn as soon as you understand a bit of mathematics and code. In 2017, my printer had technical problem related to wear and tear, and I used this occasion to improve my possibilities. I bought a Creality CR10. It is bigger. It has an heating build plate, and it's easy to customize or extend thanks to a larger community. For example, I printed and added a belt tensioner to my printer. I also tested some modeling software, and finally I found Fusion 260 by Autodesk. This is a professional software free for non-commercial users. It needs some time to learn, but it's very powerful. You can make objects, you can make assembly, you can test the strength of your object related to the material you use to create it, and it's a endless possibility. It was a game changer for me. After that, I was able to create more sophisticated assembly and finally useful object. For example, this pill box. At this time I needed to take a mix of pills 4 times a day, and I wanted a simple box to help me with that. I couldn't find one I liked, so I created it. It's useful, it's simple, and it's perfectly adapted to my needs. For the house, I made design to replace broken or missing part. For example, in this room, there was missing part on the several curtains. I dismantled another support to make the measure. I made the design. I printed it, and voila, I made this assembly, and it works perfectly. It cost me only 2 hours of work and something like 0.2 euros of plastic and electricity. Not bad. These possibilities change completely my point of view. Now when we need something, I look first if I can create it, and only if I can't, I look on the market. It's faster, it's cheaper, and it's way more interesting. It was just an introduction of my approach on the 3D printing. There's so many things to say. So if you're interested by this type of video or this subject, just tell me in the comment below. I'll think about it. That's it for now. So if you want to follow us in our adventures abroad, feel free to subscribe below. And don't forget to give me a thumb up. It's very helpful. With that, see you then.